Black holes always remain a center of attention and freaks everyone out due to their ominous existence. Being the dark entity of universe, they do creep humans in various ways. Not only restricted to destructive activities like attracting the stellar bodies in its gravitational field, these black holes are capable of supermassive explosions. This is Earthy Perks, and here we are going to tell you about the scenarios that would happen if any massive black hole ever exploded in our galaxy. Surrounded by a number of them, our Milky Way is somehow in a constant danger of these horrific black holes that leeches to the nerves of mankind. A supermassive black hole is the largest type of black hole, containing a mass of the order of hundreds of thousands to billions of times the mass of the Sun. In numbers, approximately 4.2 million times larger than the Sun. A big figure, though. Nearly all galaxies contain a supermassive black hole located at the galaxy's center. In the case of the Milky Way, the supermassive black hole corresponds to the location of Sagittarius A star, at the galactic core. Supermassive black holes have properties that distinguish them from lower mass classifications. First, the average density can be less than the density of water in the case of some supermassive black holes. In addition, the tidal forces in the vicinity of the event horizon are significantly weaker for supermassive black holes. Unlike with stellar mass black holes, one would not experience significant tidal force until very deep into the black hole. Coming back towards the potential explosion, it is a scientific belief that Earth witnessed a supermassive black hole explosion at times when our earliest ancestors walked the Earth. According to astronomers, it was just 3.5 million years ago, precisely 63 million years after an asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs. Two cone-shaped nuclear flares sliced through the Milky Way in opposite directions for at least 300,000 light years. The black hole explosion is known as a Seyfert flare and created two ionization cones of cosmic radiation. The flare event that occurred 3 million years ago was so powerful that it had consequences on the surrounding of our galaxy. After the last event, no further activity was witnessed, and astronomers termed it as more of a slumbering beast than a ravenous monster. Astronomers carried out 13,000 observations of the supermassive black hole on 133 different nights since 2013. In early 2019, it was spotted glowing twice as brightly as usual, with the strange light emanating outside its point of no return, beyond which no matter can escape. The big question is whether the black hole is entering a new phase. For example, if the spigot had been turned up and the rate of gas falling down the black hole drain has increased for an extended period, or whether we have just seen the fireworks from a few hundred blobs of gas falling in. There are several possible explanations for the hole's strange behavior. It could have sucked gas from the surface of a star called S0-2 and let loose a mighty belch of gas, which may have just reached Sagittarius A. Another possibility involves a bizarre object known as G2, which is probably a pair of binary stars, systems made of two stars orbiting each other. This strange system made a close approach to the black hole in 2014, and it's possible the Dark Destroyer sucked gas from the stars. It may have even swallowed up a load of asteroids. Anything could be considered as an explanation. But of course, scientists are constantly looking forward to the actual reason and wishing not to conclude if Sagittarius A is planning for another feast. This time, it would wipe out the human race from Earth. With a heartiest wish to be anything than terror of explosion on its watt. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Earthy Perks.